Hello from Russia. My name is Vitaly Novikov, and today we will speak about Duplicate Mahjong. This will be the first video tutorial on Duplicate Mahjong. You'll find out where to play, how to enter, where to see the results after you play, and in general, what this all about. Type in your browser mahjongsoft.com and enter the site. In the second block below Games, you'll see Tournaments. Press the button Join Tournament. You will see registration table. Check box Agree to terms and conditions, then find out appropriate team and press Join Team. 16 players are divided into 4 teams of 4 players. During the tournaments, they will play 16 deals in such a way that each deal will be played by 4 people of one team sitting in different winds: east, south, west and north. The results of playing the same deal by 4 players of one team in game points are then summed up and converted by special table into international match points, or IMP in short. The result of the team in the tournament will be simple sum of IMPs gained in all 16 deals. In order to find out the results of the tournament at the site, one should click Statistics and then List of Tournaments, and then select the appropriate tournament. Each triangle nearby deal number is clickable. We may find out 4 replays of the same deal at 4 tables. Let's look at one of them. Now, let us pick in some deal, find out in details how the results of teams are determined for that particular deal. In the table, we see settings of all 16 players for the deal in question. We will place the game points collected from each table into the boxes of the table, step by step. As we can see, a player of C team received an easy self-drawn little for wins. Let's place results into the table. As we can see, in this table, first who was declared from the player sitting in different wind. Let's place results into the table. As we can see, a player from B team repeated an easy self-drawn mahjong on little for wins as a player from C team. Don't judge too hard a play of both. The best fan of hand won by player of A team is big 3 wins. All game points of 4 teams are summed up and converted into imps. Final results one can see in the table. This video tutorial on Duplicate Mahjong was brought to you by Vitaly Novikov. Please visit our site mahjongsoft.com and participate in MCR Duplicate tournaments. You are welcome.